If you continue to experience problems with your lenses, they may need additional adjustments, so contact our office with questions about your scleral contact lenses. We hope by now you feel prepared and excited for your new scleral lenses.
If you run into any problems, remember, remain calm, maybe rewatch these videos, and if you're still struggling, just call the California Keratoconus Center.
I want to thank Jeff for his help in making these videos and sharing his voice as an advocate for patients with irregular corneas. Be sure to check out the cool tools he has developed to help with your scleral lens journey.
Honestly, I love my scleral lenses. They gave me my life back. I hope they help you too, and I hope these videos help you live your best scleral life. You can always find me on TikTok and Instagram under the name Jeff Scleral.
My personal vision statement at the California Keratoconus Center is optimizing your vision to unlock your potential. Our staff is always willing to answer your questions and support your journey with custom contacts, whether treating keratoconus, dry eye disease, higher order aberrations, or other corneal complications. We hope these videos have helped you. Please leave your comments and questions below.